So for my salad niçoise, I'm making a tuna steak. And this is the perfect size for a salad for one person. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop some freshly ground pepper. I'm going to drop a little bit of salt. A little bit of zèle de Provence, which is an herb from the south of France. You're going to drop it in olive oil. And you're going to put it on a medium heat. And we're going to cook it. Now you can drop a little lemon juice on it, a little lime juice, but wait that each side is seared. So we're going to raise our temperature because we want to sear that. And then we're going to slowly cook it. Okay, turn to smoke. And flip it. And look at that beautiful color. We're just going to let that cook for a couple of minutes. And tuna is really easy to watch. You just got to look at the side. When you see the side that's completely cooked, wait another 2 minutes and it's done. That's the secret. Okay. So that's feeling pretty stiff. And check the color. Turn it. And I'm going to just season the back end a little more. A little salt. A little bit of Provence. Turn it back so I can sear that in. And in this case, I'm going to drop a little lime juice on it. And I'm going to turn it. Beautiful. And that's it, folks. We're going to let that rest. And that will go with our salad. And I'm going to take my tuna and I'm going to do thin slices like that. Now look at the color of that. Isn't that beautiful? So it's slightish pinkish in the center. And that's how you want it cooked. It's perfectly done.